So this is how you disassemble a Homedics Total Comfort ultrasonic humidifier. I bought it off of Costco. The model number is CP1320355. First off, pop off the essential oil tray here. Then remove 5 screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Remove 6 screws from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So generally when cleaning this, we just spray this with white vinegar and then like let it stay for a few minutes and then brush it off. So minerals usually accumulate like here, 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 and here. So if you want to remove the front panel, you have to remove this. So there's going to be a screw here, so remove that and then just pop this off, like I guess with, I don't know, I just used this one, just pop it off like this. Once you remove the spout, just pop the front lid off. There's a bunch of clips in here, so just pull this top here upwards and forwards. Probably need to pry it off with like screwdrivers. So here are the clip locations. There's like 4 clips that you need to pop off. Once you remove the front cover, you just pull this off, and this is how it looks like underneath. So for our purposes, I think we remove this and then clean the inside of this. There was some gunk inside of it. That's pretty much it. And to reassemble, just do the opposite of what we did a while ago.